Alright, Dub Nation, so as you guys can tell, this room is a lot out of order, so we need to do some things to organize the space to help the workflow flow a little bit better when we are producing merchandise. We need a better workflow, we need something that's more conducive, we need something that's more organized, for lack of better words, to be exact actually. So let's start the cleanup. Alright guys, that's the start. I got my tables in here. I got my stuff on this side. This whole room is about to be converted, but right now it's a good start. I got rid of the bed. I'm gonna sell it on OfferUp or Let Go. So if you're in the Philadelphia area and you want a cheap, inexpensive twin bed, go on OfferUp and Let Go. And you can buy the bed that was in this room right here. But let's bring in the Epson and unbox it. This thing is massive. Man. This thing is massive. This thing is massive, first of all. Here, whoa. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh man, it's a bad storm coming, guys. It's about to rain. Get that open. I'm gonna just slide across the top right here, like so. Oh, this thing is massive. It's a two-person job, so need 2 people. Boom. So we're gonna take out the power cord right here. Put that off to the side. We're gonna take out the small supply of ink cartridges that it comes with. Right here, I got some more coming in the mail. And we're gonna put this on the floor and pick it up again and put it on to the table. Alright, so put this onto the floor. Hold it so it won't break from the bottom. You know? Excuse me, I'm rolling videotape.
Oh!
Thank you. Appreciate it. Alright, I want to stress to you, I don't think I can... This thing is massive. I knew it was going to be big from seeing it in the store, but this is about the biggest printer I've ever had. Alright, this is huge. Alright. My last one was big, but this one is like stupid big. So guys, very, very dope printer so far. It's very involved. This is the biggest printer I've ever had in my whole entire life. Looks like a spaceship. Alright guys, so that was my review slash unboxing thing of the Epson Workforce 7720. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to purchase this printer, links down below. We're going to have a lot of fun with this thing, guys, so stay tuned. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up the video, guys. I greatly appreciate it. It's your boy A-Dubb signing off. I'm out. Peace.
Turn up that, crank it up. Why listen to the rest when you're rocking with the best, baby?